everyone, so welcome to my channel. For today's vlog, I'm going to tour you around to our temporary shelter for 3 days. So we are here at Miracle Grand Convention Hotel. It's a 5-star hotel here in Thailand and it's beautiful. Let's tour you around. So this is the bed. It's so big and I'm alone. I'm alone. I will be attending a convention here. So I'm alone. So big hotel. So big, huge what is that? Bed. Okay, this is the cabinet. Actually, there is no cabinet at all. Okay, so the television. This is my bag. So they have nothing inside. And this is, they have this. And there is, there are 2 complimentary water. And there is love seat. Wow, love seat, but walang love. Okay, there's a love seat, and that's the view outside. Okay, so better close. And let's go to the toilet. This is the toilet. Makikita ka dun. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I'm gonna... Yes. Better like that. Okay, so this is the toilet. Pang maramihan yata to, no? Kasi pang malakihan. Kasi meron siyang dalawang ganito. Tapos, may towels, tissue syempre. Tapos, ito yung kanyang mga shampoo, etc. Okay, so hindi siya masyadong malaki. Okay naman yung room. Big enough for 2. Pero I'm alone. Okay. So that's it. I'm gonna show you the breakfast tomorrow. That's what I'm excited about.